As the sun rises to usher in a beautiful day over Montalban, Rizal, displaced residents and evacuees are getting back on their feet, leaving relocation, cleaning the mud off their homes and putting away scattered debris and trash. But there's a new hope as PTV's Karen Villando reports of a new scheme and site for relocation for those living in the danger zone in the event calamity strikes again.
6 days after the onslaught of Typhoon Ulysses, this is the situation at Casiglahan village in Montalban, Rizal. Bulldozers are now collecting the garbage along roads. Residents cannot help but saddened by staring at their things being put into a dump truck. The house of Gina is now filled with clothes from donations. They are collecting these not to wear them, but to use them as a pillows and blankets at night. Residents are surviving every day through donations and from the help of their local government unit. But just as early as now, they are wondering how they can overcome this challenge. Gina took the opportunity to call for her relatives through People's Television Network.
Kung makikita man nila kami, maririnig nila kami, gusto ko humingi po ng tulong para magkaroon man lang kami ng kaunting pera ba, na hindi naman kami mawalaan. Wala man kami ibang inaasahan, kundi sarili na lang sikap.
Moreover, aside from the clearing operations, Montalban LGU is now having a long-term plan for the residents who were badly hit by the typhoon, most especially those who are living beside the river or low-lying areas.
Kasi yun dapat hindi natiran yun dahil danger zone yun dinideklara ng Sangguniang Bayan dati. Para hindi na maulit na sila mabaan, ang LGU po ay nagplano kung saan namin pwedeng ilipat. Napag-usapan po namin na meron kaming 10 hektarya na lupa na pag-aari po ng LGU, pwede po namin silang ipagtayo ng housing po doon.
Montalban LGU is still accepting donations. For those who want to donate, one can direct through the Municipal Social Welfare and Development. Karen Villando for The Nation.